shop the Divine collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Hi guys, Linda is in the middle here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case if you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I film videos from Lagos, Nigeria. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you products that you need to maintain your bone straight hair. I know we all love bone straight hair. We love how bone straight hair looks, the whole rave about bone straight hair. Girls, we all like a very good straight hair that stays straight. But take note, your bone straight hair still needs maintenance. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the products that you need to maintain your bone straight hair. If you want to know what these products are, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button. There's this bell icon right there. Just click that bell icon so that you know when I upload a new video on my channel. YouTube will notify you so you don't miss any of my uploads. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. You know, my sister recently told me about these products that her hair, somebody that helps her style her hair, recommended to her that these products can help your hair if your hair is not very sleek straight. Once you apply this particular product to your hair and straighten your hair, that is going to make your hair very straight. And this product is from a brand called Beautiful Textures. It's coily to straight. So let's say your hair was coily and you want to have it looking straight. Once you spray this product all over the hair and you straighten it, your hair is going to be very sleek and straight, soft, silky, smooth. I'm going to insert a clip of this product, or even put a picture of the product on the screen so you guys get to see this product. If you need a product, if you have been having problems with your straight hair, your natural straight hair or your bone straight hair, you need to invest in getting this Beautiful Textures product because it's going to help you when you style your bone straight hair, you style your straight hair. Another thing you need to invest in getting, a hot straightener. You need to get a hair straightener that gets very hot. If you can get a hair straightener that the plates are made with titanium, get that. Well, let's say you can't get the titanium plates, just make sure you get a hair straightener that gets very hot, because when a hair straightener gets very hot, it's going to help your hair get that very smooth straight look. Some people even use hair straighteners that have steamers these days, but I've never tried using that hair straightener that has a steamer. Hopefully a brand sends it to me to try it out. By the grace of God, I hope that happens, because buying those products in Nigeria can be quite difficult because you need to order those products from Amazon and you have to deal with custom duties and all of that. You need to invest in getting a good hair straightener. So with your hot comb, but rather with your hot straightener, you after you apply this Beautiful Textures hair straightener, and of course you also need to apply a heat protectant like this Cantu heat protectant right here. When you spray the heat protectant on the hair, then you get the hair straightener and you put the hair in between. You need to take the hair in small sections. Don't take large sections of the hair. Take small sections of the hair and start to straighten the hair. And take notes, please don't wear your hair for more than 1 month or 2 months without washing your hair. You need to wash your hair with a good shampoo and a good conditioner. I'm going to make a video for the best shampoos for your hair extension and the best conditioners for your hair extensions, which are also affordable. So watch out for that video. Make sure you wash your hair extension at least after 1 month, after 1 full month of wearing the hair, or at least if it's too long, 2 months. Well, please, why should we be wearing our hair extensions for 2 months before washing them? Try as much as possible to wash your hair extensions more frequently. It's one thing to buy good quality hair, but the key thing about maintaining good quality hair is how you style your hair. That's the reason why I'm actually recommending this product for you, because this product is what is going to make your hair look the best, and also how you store your products. We'll buy bone straight hair. I've had someone I know, I had styled her hair for her. You know, when you painstakingly take your time and you straighten hair, and it takes you, let's say, 1 hour to straighten a full wig. and you keep this hair straight in the paper bag and you give this hair to your customer, and the customer just takes the hair that took you like 1 hour to straighten and put it in the nylon and stands it like, just drops it in the nylon. She's not keeping it straight. You don't want to be like that. If you have a straight hair extension, let's say your straight hair is like this, you want to make sure you keep your straight hair that is like this straight. Don't just go and drop it down like, because it's more like you're squeezing it, you're compressing it in a way that is going to now turn wavy. Okay, let's say this is straight hair and I want to drop it. I just put it like this. It's going to take on the form in which you dropped it. So if you want your hair to remain straight, you need to put it like this, place it like this. Or you can invest in getting a wig hanger. You clip it on the hanger and you hang it in your wardrobe or somewhere you've made for your wigs. So how you store your wigs are very important. So aside from using good products to wash your hair and using the right products to style your hair, and also when you're styling your hair, try and make sure you also apply a serum to your hair. You can use the argan oil serum or coconut oil or macadamia nut oil. Any of these oils you can find, you need to apply to your hair to ensure that your hair remains healthy and nice. Whew. I hope I was able to answer your questions in this video. If you got value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button. Share this video with your friends who will need to watch this video, especially those of them who are complaining that their hair extensions are too frizzy. Go and pick up this Cantu heat protectant because it really helps for frizzy hair extensions, because some hair extensions may be frizzy because you haven't been caring for it well. So pick up this Cantu heat protectant if your hair has been frizzy a lot, and also wash your hair extension. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value, please make sure you smash the like button, share this video with your friends are also going to get value from it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.